Hey everybody, welcome to another video. And I just found this cell on a deer attractant. I always like these cells because they're always putting new deer attractants on sale. This one was $5 for a premium whitetail attractant R1 or Rack 1 power station hanging lick. And this is a great flavor attractant with digestive enzymes and natural minerals. Interesting. Grape flavor, potent aroma and flavor for instant drawing power. That's debatable, but it's a hanging strap. So this one has, it looks like it has the string to hang it. Okay, let's see what this says. This one has corn syrup, salt, magnesium chloride, potassium chloride, natural and artificial flavors, dehydrated yeast, and minimum sugar is 22%, at 26% maximum, and moisture of 6%. That makes sense. So I think I'm gonna try it in one of the deer feeders. I have a lot of trees around here close to the feeder, so I'm gonna hang it from the feeder probably. So let's go to the feeder. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. Okay, so you use the string to hang it. Interesting. So I'm gonna set it up and see if it works. So this is one of our feeders. I got the camera right there. It's a cell cam. And we got the deer stand right up there. It's not very tall. I think it's 12 feet, maybe a little higher, but it works. So I'm thinking of hanging it from here, or possibly just putting it on here. So I'm sure I'm going to get a lot of raccoons and hogs and everything else around here. And this is what it looks like out of the packaging. I honestly never seen anything like this. Sticky, smells real sweet. Not supposed to be great flavor, but as you look around, I got my camera over there in that tree, so I can't really put it in any other trees around here. And I'm trying to make sure the deer come to this location right here, or around this location, so I can have a good line of sight. So very interesting deer attracting method. So you're supposed to hang it on a tree, but I don't have trees, a lot of trees here. So I think this is gonna work, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to have other wildlife out here. If it's good, I don't know if it's good. It was only $5. I don't like to spend a lot of money on deer attractants just because I have a lot of deer coming here. So I will give you an update if it works. If it doesn't work, I'll still give you an update. But I'll try to put some pictures if any deer come by or if any other wildlife comes by. So we'll see. Appreciate you watching. Like and subscribe to support the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one.